Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Nasdaq with Arshia, and today we're going to be talking about a well-known coming to the top, rising from the underdog stock, GTech Holdings. You might have all have heard of it, and if you haven't, well, you'll find out soon. Before we get started, I want to say that I'm not a financial advisor, and I highly suggest you do your own research and own due diligence before taking part in any investment scheme. Let's get to it. All right. So what I'm about to show you is the financial holdings first, the overview, financial holdings, and I'm going to compare it with a few other cannabis stocks that are well known also. So as we can see here, GTech Holdings, ticker symbol GGTTF, currently trading at 76 cents. So it's a penny stock, guys, and I know that penny stocks are always a bit sketchy, and you should always be wary of them. And you should be careful when trying to invest in them. And also, we have to see, when do we have to enter? Do I have to enter now when it spikes up? Or do I want to enter later when the steam sort of cools off? That's very important in generally penny stocks. So now we're going to be looking at the balance sheets of several other companies like GTech Holdings, cannabis companies. So first up, you might have all have heard of this one, Aurora Cannabis, trading at $9.60. So if we see their income statement, their total revenue is fine, but their gross profit is in the negatives, negative 46,664. We don't want their profit to be negative. That means that they're in loss. And it's not good. So also, Canopy Growth Corporation. You all must have known or heard of that at some point. 31.17 it's currently trading at. Their total revenue, again, is fine. Cost of revenue is fine. Gross profit, negative 34,665. So many companies around this cannabis business are in negative as of gross profit. And so is this one. This Kronos group is even worse. Their operating income is in the negatives. Their gross profit is in the negatives. And so it's really bad among these companies normally with their gross profit. But with GTech, here's what's special. The total revenue is amazing for that small of a company, their market cap. And their cost of revenue is also good. The gross profit is not in negatives. It's 12,379. It's also just over 100 million of a market cap. It's quite small of a company, but yet it's doing so well. Recently, GTech has repaid all of its convertible debt in full. It means it's doing a really good job at managing its financials in the company, and it's getting better. As it grows, it just gets better. So Kelowna, BC, March 01, 2021, GTech Holdings Ltd. GTech, the company, or GTech Cannabis Co., a multi-licensed producer of handcrafted, high-quality cannabis, is pleased to announce that it has repaid its unsecured convertible promissory note, the note with Invictus MD Strategies Corp., in full. So we know that promissory notes are notes of debt on interest. And also, if we look at their revenue in March 31st, 2020, it was 9.87 million, and then June 30th, 2020, it was 16.58 million. And 30th September 2020, that's when cases spiked a bit, and that's when they had a little bit of loss, 16.52 million. But the 5-quarter trend, as you can see here, it's going up. And if you also see, as we scroll down here, Hang on. The gross income is $1.74 million on 31st March 2020, and on June 30th, 2020, $2.79 million, and on September 30th, their income increased to $3.23 million. So their income keeps growing and growing and growing, and they keep selling off their debt, and they're doing a really good job at doubling their company's value and managing their debt. So in conclusion, I'm bullish on the stock, and I definitely will be on the lookout for this next time the market dips. I'll buy the dip. And thank you guys for watching this video. If you found this information helpful or appreciated this information, be sure to give a like and a thumbs up, and leave a subscribe for us, and leave your thoughts in the comments below. See you in the next video.